Hachi village. I'm the bee lady Jasmine, and today we're going to be inspecting the Freya hive. Now, we saw last week that it yielded some honey, which was great. And today we're going to do a bit of a quick inspection because the weather sort of turned a bit chilly. Not too chilly, but definitely, you know, it's starting to get into that fall weather, as you can tell by a lot of the weather behind, like a lot of the trees, they look like they're prepping for, you know, getting ready for fall. So basically we're going to make this nice and quick. Major goals today is 1, see how the medium is doing, if they're drawing it out or not. 2, hopefully find the queen. Last time we found eggs, we didn't find the queen, so hopefully we'll be able to find her. If we don't find her, we'll try to look for eggs one more time. Let me see. 3, we'll check the, oh no, we checked the bottom board, everything was fine last time. So we'll just do a quick check of that actually, again, just to make sure if we need to replace the diatomaceous. I have the diatomaceous with me, so we'll check that. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the hive. There you go, very busy in the front. Hopefully they found something. Now, because it's fall, I would imagine that there might be a dearth going on, but it's quite busy in the front. I'm quite surprised. I'm not sure if I see them with pollen, so we'll see. It's quite busy. Alright, we'll see what's going on inside. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start smoking the entrance, so that way we can start the calming effect that the Apisolus smoker provides. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's inside, to see how well they're taking to the new manly super that we placed on in the last inspection. Alright, let's check the feeders. Oh, very much empty. Okay. Not that I'm surprised. Let's try the other one. Yep, also quite empty. Definitely needs to get cleaned out. Alright, looks like they haven't had a time to propolize it. That's good. Oh! They're very much in here. That's good. And this doesn't have any bees. Over to the side. Alright, and then take this one out. Alright, again, not that propolized. Oh, got a couple of ladies. Here's a... Oh, they're propolizing it. See if I can bring it forward to you guys. Hopefully you see that. That's pretty cool. So they're getting ready for the winter season, closing up all those holes. Now it doesn't look like they're very busy here, which can happen sometimes since this is a brand new box and we've just recently added it. So hopefully we'll be able to see some signs that they've started moving into this box. So they're definitely starting to propolize stuff. Not as in preparation for the winter temperature that are coming in, which is good. Now, what I can initially see is that they're busy at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-ish of the frames. So let's go ahead, start getting this ready. Now I'm going to start on this side, the more emptier side. That way I can go ahead. I don't think that, yeah, it's very loose. I don't think they've done any much in here. There's like a couple of bees, but it's not that intense. Okay, I can see them. They're starting to connect everything. Yep, they're starting to draw this out. Really good. I'm glad that they're doing that. I was worried that they wouldn't be able to. Ooh, oh, this one started to purplize. Okay. Starting to get into more nitty-gritty. Alright. Yep. They're starting to draw these out also as well. Oh, they actually fixed up quite a bunch of the holes, which is really good. Okay, so now we're going to start getting into the real knit. I think I'm going to put this one back in there because I don't think I need that much space. And I'll probably do some checkerboarding so that way they can start working on these as well. Oh, look at that. They're drawing it out real nicely. I can always see honey in it. Well, not honey, but nectar. They're quite busy at work, trying to store what they can, which is good. Now, I don't want to have this open too much because the smell can attract robbing bees. So I'm gonna, given that they still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, they have quite a bit to still draw out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna checkerboard these ladies. I'm not gonna go all the way through because my plan is that this is going to be for them. So I'm not going to go through it all the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna put this one here. Alright, I'm gonna open these up a smidgen. Because if they're working on these, I want to be able for them to draw out the rest as well while we still have time in the season. So, let's see, that's full. Put this one over here. Actually, put 2. Yeah, whoop, that's starting to boot me. Okay. That's that one. Now I just need to put one more. So I'm just going to move this over aside. I'm not going to look at the honey. I can tell that they're already drawing it out. So I'll bring out one more frame so that way you guys can really see what I mean. Alright, there we go. Now, very lovely. You see some, they've even started to cap some of it. So, yeah, I'm gonna leave them to work on that. Well, I have to say they seem a little bit quiet, but that's okay. Alright, cool. I'm going to put those bars back. Let me take this off. There we go. Just gonna... Ooh! Okay, ladies, I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get straight into the brood. I'm not expecting this to be heavy because we switched over to a manly, and it should be lighter. So I'm going to go ahead over on this side. And oh wait, forgot the hive tool. Got to make sure that that queen excluder stays down. Okay, there we go. Now this time I'm going to make sure that I check this queen excluder, simply because last time everything had fallen and I wanted to make sure that everything was okay. So I'm just using my Apiolus smoker here to try and guide most of the bees down into the brood box, so that way I can get ready to lift this off. There we go. Oh. Alright, well that's bird comb. Definitely gonna have to clean it up. Okay, I can see they're definitely full. Definitely see some bird comb. Gotta make sure that I take that out. And it's wall to wall. Okay, we'll see how far we can get through. I am hoping we find the queen. That's what I really want to do. Find the queen, close it up. That's it. Oh, heavy. Okay, we can see a nice brood pattern. I see them with pollen, have resources. Nectar. I feel like I definitely need to make a stand that's a little bit taller. Alright, Queenie. I see them, I see eggs. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to go any further because it's fall. I do not want to disturb them any more than I already have. Alright, and we're closing up. Well, that was a bit of an adventure. We did find eggs, which is good, which is evidence of the queen, so she's been there for 3 days. Medium super is coming along really well, so that's not an issue. I think they should be okay for winter. So they have plenty of food. That's not a problem. I think that's all the goals. Oh, wait, the diatomaceous earth. I'm sure that, what do you call it? I'll check that next week. So that's a bit of a you know, negative right there for today's task. But at least we found eggs. We found that they are drawing out the medium super, and they're doing a really good job of that. They used all the sugar water to help them start off the wax, which is what I wanted. And yeah, so they're populating really well. I got a couple of, I don't know if you can see this, got a couple of ladies right there on the shoulder. So that's pretty cool. I don't know exactly what they're finding, but they're not being mean or anything. They're just chilling. All right, and I did see a couple of like brand new baby bees as I was looking. I think one thing that I will do is that I will definitely bring a torch next time. As the days get colder and colder and the sunlight doesn't like come out as often, I'll have a flashlight to sort of like help me look for the eggs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. All right, fellow beaks, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.